Feeling like you're constantly battling a cold and wondering if ColdFX is your immune system superhero or just another empty promise? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the truth about ColdFX. We'll investigate the science, weigh the user experiences, and ultimately help you decide if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First, let's understand what ColdFX claims to do. The official website states that ColdFX can reduce the frequency, severity, and duration of cold and flu symptoms. They also highlight its ability to boost the immune system. But how much of this is marketing hype versus actual scientific backing? We'll explore the clinical trials linked to ColdFX. We'll look at study design, sample sizes, and importantly, who funded the research, because bias can sneak in anywhere. It's time to look at what real people are saying. We'll analyze customer reviews, looking for common themes, both positive and negative, to get a balanced perspective. We are not doctors. It's always important to consult with your healthcare provider, but hopefully, this video has provided you with helpful, unbiased information. Armed with this information, you're better equipped to make an informed decision about ColdFX. Don't forget to subscribe for more fact-checking videos and let us know in the comments about your experience with ColdFX.